To make these coasters, I'm working with 100% cotton yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2. Make 11 double crochet in the ring. Double crochet yarn around the hook, insert through the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. I'm going to make 10 more to make a total of 11 double crochet in the ring. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I made 11 double crochet, and this chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet, so I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Chain 2 and turn. I always turn because it's easier to insert the hook through the stitch. Now I'm going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. So this is the first double crochet and this is the second. So now I'm going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so make 2 in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and that is 24 stitches around. I'm going to change to purple and pull that through that last stitch. Make 1 stitch with both the yarn end and the working yarn just to lock it in. Take 1 more stitch to be equivalent to the first double crochet. And now I'm going to double crochet around, making 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. 1 in the next stitch, 1, 2 in the next stitch, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Okay, so continue all the way around, making 1, 2, 1, 2. I've worked all the way around, and I have 36 double crochet in my circle. Now I'm going to change back to my pink color. Okay, now I've attached my pink again. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. 1, 2, 3. Skip, single crochet. Like that, and you're going to go all the way around. Okay, worked all the way around. I can fasten off and weave your yarn ends into the finished work, and you'll have these pretty colorful Easter coasters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.